Good evening, my name is Mark Wells. I'm the principal here at John Hardin High School. We are at our open house and back to school bash. Tonight our students are learning about the different opportunities that are offered here at John Hardin. Our clubs, our organizations, our teams are all represented. We've got a phenomenal crowd here tonight. Very proud of our staff for the hard work in preparing for this event.
Key Club is a student-based community service organization, so it's completely student-led. So that means students get to choose what service events they make, and it allows them to interact with communities in ways that they want, in ways that will help them engage with them more. It builds leadership, it builds teamwork, it lets them get involved with people and meet a lot of new people that they really would never know. It provides a lot of new resources, scholarships, and then because it's a club and it's giving you community service hours, it looks really good on a resume, and it's great for your academics in general.
So John Hardin Family Lemonade is a lemonade stand ran by students with disabilities here at John Hardin High School, and we sell our lemonade to make money for our classroom and to also donate to our community and give back. We are serving here at our open house tonight to show families what we do every day and kind of spread the message of inclusion to other people in our community.
They got a bar over there. I don't know what they're making.
Change your mind.
Hi, I'm Dan Robbins. I'm the principal of the Hardin County Schools Early College and Career Center. Here tonight at the John Hardin Open House, just helping to answer questions for our students. Obviously, as we share students between all of our schools, we want to make sure that our students understand how EC3 is integrated within our school system. EC3 is a great addition. We've actually, I say addition, but we've been around for several years now with Hardin County Schools. We're giving our students the opportunity to learn more about career pathways. And in those pathways, we have lots of opportunities for certifications, industry recognized certifications, in fact, where students can take those, and if they choose after high school, go right to work. They have the opportunity with a lot of our courses to get dual credit, and that's some nice stuff where kids can have those dual credits in their back pocket before going on to college, or again, if they go to the world of work, those are their credits forever. So we're just excited at EC3 to start this 26-27 school year. We have a lot going on out there. We have a new construction project out back where we are actually expanding so that we can get all of our programs that are across this district into one location at EC3. So we have open house for us on Tuesday night. It's the August 4th, prior to school starting on August 6th. So we encourage our families to come out and see us that night as well.
We are looking forward to an outstanding school year. We can't wait to see all our students next week.